quantum string theory. There we go. Or quantum mechanics. What I teach is cosmic mechanics. See, sounds kind of the same, ne? Yeah, it is the same. It's the reason why a white coat, a scientist, a doctor, if you're of that profession, come in and sit down. You will understand quantum string theory in a very cool way. Because I think in pictures, I work in pictures, and I teach in pictures, which brings me to the next topic. My pictures. So, these are not really pictures, but they were pictures in my head first, because I think in pictures. And then I took those pictures and I created my art. I create the art, Mr. Whitecoat. The art is the picture. It's the image. It's the impression it leaves with you. I cannot measure it. I cannot weigh it. But that impression, a good piece of art, gives the individual. That impression is sure as hell real. And I think fake about that impression. I'm feeling it. It's real. You cannot measure it. You cannot weigh it, but it's real. What is that part of you, Mr. Whitecoat, that feels art without the ability to measure and weigh it? Maybe stick around and you'll discover that. So let's go back to my art. Seriously, I do the art. These art pieces I have created and made over about 10 years. Little did I know, and take note here, it's a prime example of how consciousness works, of how God works. Things that you think is completely unrelated, individually created, one no relationship to the other. And 10 years later, I look at it as I turn around and I'm busy recording a podcast and I realize, it's the map. It's a map that was inspired through me to create the art so that I can now use it in my podcast. 10 years ago, I didn't know I was going to have a podcast. I promise you that. So, what is the art and what does it mean? I'm going to refer to it consistently as we move through the 7 dimensions of creation. First of all, we have the chessboard. The chessboard is, other than just the prettiest chessboard you've ever seen, right? Chessboards are boring, most of them, right? Quite boring. You can get a special one that's like made out of sandstone. I have one of that. It was made by Buddha, by monks at the foothills of the Himalayas. Beautiful chessboard. Beautiful. It's only this big.